Adam back again with another Lego cheat-to-do video on Transformers, and I think you can guess it's Ratchet, ambulance, the headlights, and this is the G1 Ratchet. So first I'll get into comparisons in vehicle mode, then I'll show you how to transform in him and more comparisons, and soon I will do a tutorial on him. Yeah, so first up, here he is next to G1 Optimus Prime. Yeah, I think they scale pretty good together. And here he is next to Soundwave in alt mode. And hold on, let's see if I can find it. Razorbeak in disc mode. And just slot that in there. Because the original toy had it, so I just thought it would be cool if this guy could do that too. So yeah. Now on to transformation. Yeah, so that's what you want to do is just slide the siren, pull this piece out, it's becoming his gun, and for him to hold it you have to just slide it there. So yeah, then you want to bring the legs like that, just bring them down, slide this forward. Hold on, the tooth piece is coming out. Slide this that way back to have that balance on Ratchet's feet. Then you want to just pull that down, swing that up, rotate it, hold on, you have to leave it underneath for a while. Bring the arms like that. So then you just wanna flip. Hold on. It's jammed. That thing is supposed to be like that. Oops, the head fell out. So like that, and just take his gun and clip it there. Yeah, so we'll get into more comparisons now. Here he is next to Soundwave. Then Razorbeak, you can just take him out, turn him into a bird. Doesn't have a robot mode, but yeah, like that. You just sit on his shoulder. Ratchet should be a little bit taller, but other than that, I think it's great. Now, here he is next to transformed Optimus, G1 Optimus. The legs are slightly flimsy, or you could just swing it around like that, but no, I think the grill should be in front. Dang, I really need to find a way for this guy to stand. But yeah, I think this is a suitable scale for Ratchet and Optimus. So yeah, thanks for watching, and be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.